Beautiful morning here at Lake Hartwell. If you hear that sizzle in the background, it's Dustin and Lynn cooking up some bacon. Let's see what else is coming up. Dustin, what we got going on here?
We got a little red potato mixture. We've got some olive oil, bacon grease, a little bit of seasoning, AP seasoning in here to make it taste great.
What's that smell? It smells a little smoky. What is that?
We also put a little applewood on our charcoal so we can get a little smoke flavor on these potatoes, a little applewood smoke this morning. Potatoes come along good. We're cooking this in this bacon grease. Little red potatoes cut up and some onions and bell peppers.
Ooh, got a little skirt steak going on here. Those peppers and onions. Man, we are eating right down here.
For some Western eggs.
Adding to the mix. More eggs. And our buddy Summer just arrived. Smell the food.